In this video, I am going to show you how to resolve the issue of insufficient funds or not enough money whenever you are trading on Vantage app, or when you are using your Vantage account and you have linked it to MT5 and you want to trade. You can get any of these errors, either not enough funds or insufficient funds. So whichever one that you are getting, not enough money or insufficient funds, I am going to show you how to resolve that. So I have linked this account, my Vantage account, I have linked it to MT5. It ends with 0072. If you don't know how to link your Vantage account to MT5, I have made a video about that. It will appear at the top right hand corner. So when you link your Vantage account to MT5 and you try to take a trade, let's say I want to enter a sell on GBP USD and I click on sell, accept the terms of one click. So I click on sell. You see I am having not enough money, even though when you come to my balance I have $3. So as a beginner you may be confused, why are they not allowing you to open a trade position when you have money? They are saying not enough money. You have money. So whether you increase this money to $10, it will still be showing you not enough money. So I am going to show you the two reasons why you are having such error on your MT5. Now, if you are trading on the Vantage app, this is the same account that I just showed you now on MT5. You come to the trade section and let's say we want to sell, instead of BTC, let's look for Forex, like the GBP USD here, and then we enter 0.1 lots. Okay, and you want to sell it. When you click sell, it will still tell you insufficient funds. Look at it here, you are still having insufficient funds on the app. So whether you are trading with the Vantage app or you are trading on the MT5, when you link your Vantage account to MT5, you will still have the issue of not enough money on MT5 or insufficient funds on the Vantage app. Meanwhile, if you don't know how to trade on this Vantage app, I have made the video. It will appear at the top right hand corner. The most important thing that causes the insufficient funds on your Vantage app is your leverage. So it's either you don't know about leverage or you don't know about lot sizes. These two things, you don't know about them. That is why you are having this issue of not enough money. When you open your Vantage app, come to the trade section. Under the trade section, you are going to come over to the top right hand corner where you see these three dots. Click on it. Then you will see the leverage of your account. Now, leverage is what determines how much money that a broker is able to offer you. The increase in money that the broker is willing to increase your balance so that you can enter the Forex market to trade. So if your account has 1 to 100, it means for every $1 that you bring in your own balance, your broker will multiply it 100 times. So we have $3 in our account, in this particular account that I showed you on MT5 and I showed you also on the Vantage app. So when multiplied 100 times the way you are seeing it here, we only have $300. So for every $1 we bring, the broker multiplies it times 100. So when we have $3 in our account, it means the broker will multiply it times 100, which will give us $300 US. That is the amount of money that we can use to trade in the Forex market. Now, why is there leverage? Because most people may not afford the minimum amount of money you need to enter the forex market. And in forex, the minimum that you need to enter the forex market is $1,000. That is the amount of money you need to open the smallest lot size in forex, which is 0.01. So even when multiplied 100 times, the amount of money we have, which is $3, cannot reach the 1,000, which is the minimum. So in that case, MT5 will write for you that you don't have enough money. So you get that error of not enough money. And when you try the same thing on the Vantage app, you get the error of insufficient funds. And as a beginner, you don't know about this leverage. So you may think, yes, you are seeing the $3. You may add it to $10. It's still giving you the same issue. So that is why you are having that issue. Your leverage is too small. So what we can do now is to increase the leverage. So when you come over to this place, click and then change the leverage. So you see, when you click on this leverage change, click on it, the maximum that this broker is willing to give you is to multiply your money 2,000 times. If you select this 1 to 2,000 that you are seeing, or 2,000 to 1, which means that if I select this particular 1 to 2,000, and I accept their terms and conditions, it means for every $1 that I bring, they will multiply it for us 2,000 times. So since we have $3 in our account, and when multiplied 2,000 times, it means we will have about $6,000 to enter the trading market with it. Now, mind you, your broker is not going to give you that $6,000. They are just multiplying it for you and then allowing you to use the $3 that you have to buy and sell in the forex market. When I have chosen this leverage change to 1 to 2,000, click confirm. So it has been processed, and you will get an email from Vantage telling you that it has been changed. So it has been changed to 1 to 2,000, and when you go back to the home and come to the upper left hand corner and click on that drop down icon, you see this is the account. I will click this drop down and you will see the leverage is now 1 to 2,000. So with this 1 to 2,000, we can multiply it by this 3. We have 6,000 US dollars. That is like a loan to you that you can use. But just note that when the amount of money is being deducted or added, when you are making profit, it is added to this $3. When you are making losses, is deducted from this $3. So if the forex market goes against you by $1, is your 3 minus 1 that will be deducted, which means you have 2. If it goes against you by $2, it means it's 3 minus 2. So be mindful of how you are taking your entries, and be mindful of the lot sizes that you are going to be using. That gives us the second reason why you will be having not enough money on MT5 or insufficient funds on the Vantage account. So I will now talk about the second reason, which is the lot size. Having known that we can have up to $6,000 to enter the market, let me now talk to you about the lot size. You see, in forex trading, 0.01 is the lowest lot size that you can get in a standard account, a regular account, which means that if you are opening a trade with a lot size of 0.01, you will need 1,000 US dollars to open this 0.01. If you are going to open a trade with 0.02, you will need $2,000. if you are going to open a lot size of 0.03, you are going to need 3,000 US dollars. So you see, with this, it means the maximum amount of lot size that we can open on that $3 when our leverage has been increased to 1 to 2,000 is going to be 6,000 US dollars, right? So it means the maximum lot size that we can open will be 0.06, because for every 0.01 lot you will need 1,000. So 0.06 you will need 6,000. This is the maximum that we can open with that $3 that you are seeing. So if we try to go more than this of 0.07, it means we will need $7,000. And even when we have a leverage of 1 to 2,000 on a $3, you will not be allowed. You will still get the issue of not enough funds or not enough money. So let us go to MT5 now and try opening 0.07 on MT5. So we can now see that when we come over here and we add 0.07, then we want to sell, you see we are still getting not enough money. But anything lower than this, you can open with it. So if I try to open with 0.06 now, it will go through. Now I will tell you why I will not open with 0.06 even though it can go through. Why? Because by the time I open this thing here and I set my stop loss, look, just this tiny movement of the market, it is going to drain whatever amount of money that I have, because since I have $3, just market movement that will move from where it is now to this part, it needs $6. So if I shift it to this other part, if market moves just to this point, it is going to drain the $3 that I have when you open a 0.06. So because of this, even though you can now open a 0.06 lot with your $3, is not advisable as a reasonable person. Okay, or if you even know what you are doing in forex, because that $3 is very small to hold a 0.06 even though your leverage permitted you to do so. So the appropriate one for you will be 0.01. You can see now that if market moves to the same position, it's only 0.7 US dollars that will be deducted. So the market can even come as far as this point before it will drain your $3. So it's reasonable to open 0.01. Now I have also discussed extensively about how this pips, lot size and risk amount can affect you in trading. The video will appear at the top right hand corner. Now if you need more mentorship, my paid mentorship, you can find the details in the description box, and it is within 2 months I will put you through and you will understand everything regarding forex trading. I host 2 hours lectures 2 times in a week, and it is a one-on-one class. I don't do general stuff. Check the description box for details. Having known that, if I open this 0.01 now, it means I need $1,000, and my leverage of 2,000 times 3 gives me up to 6,000. So when I sell, it will open. You can see I am already in the market right now. So this is how leverage can make you to have that error of not enough money or insufficient funds. And also the lot size that you are opening with it, it can also affect you, and you may have that not enough money or insufficient funds. Okay, so you can see now, any amount of money you gain or loss is being deducted from this $3. That is how it is. So it's not reasonable for you to open any lot size that is bigger than this account. Okay? If you have any other question regarding the not enough money error on MT5 when connected to Vantage, or insufficient funds when trading from the Vantage app, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.